Hello there, and welcome back to our channel for another tech-related video. This is Francisco, and in today's video, we're going to get you the ultimate guide to resolving the complicated camera shake issue on the iPhone 15. We'll explore 6 effective solutions to stabilize your phone's camera and enhance your photography experience. But before we dive into these effective fixes, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Why is my iPhone 15 camera shaking when taking pictures? Now, if your iPhone 15 camera is shaking, it could be because the parts that stabilize the pictures might not be working right. Sometimes issues with the iOS firmware can affect these stabilization features. Also, how you hold the iPhone or how sensitive the camera is may add to the shaking, which makes the photos blurry. Part 2. 6 most efficient and tried fixes to resolve the iPhone 15 camera shaking. Now that we've actually explored the causes behind the iPhone 15 Pro's camera focus problem, let's go ahead and dive into the solutions. We have organized 6 effective fixes to address the annoying camera shake issue. So without any delay, we will explain the top 6 methods to resolve the iPhone 15 camera shaking problem as you continue watching this tutorial. Fix number 1. Force close the camera app. At times, a simple action can solve seemingly complex issues. If your iPhone 15's camera is shaking, the camera app might need a reboot. So occasionally, apps on your iPhone encounter glitches, causing unexpected behavior. Force closing the camera app works by shutting it down and restarting it. This eliminates any software-related issues that could be causing the camera shake problem on the iPhone 15 Pro. The steps to force close the camera app are explained further in this video. So first, if your iPhone uses Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, stop in the middle, and then swipe left or right to locate the camera app. Once found, swipe the floating camera app upward to force close it. Fix number 2. Perform iPhone 15 restart. A quick restart can actually clear temporary software glitches that might be affecting the camera's stabilization. Restarting your iPhone 15 closes all running stuff and clears out its memory or cache. In this way, the iPhone can actually handle those temporary bugs that could be the leading cause of iPhone camera shake. Here's how you can perform iPhone 15 restart. Press and hold both the side button and the volume up button simultaneously for a little while. Then let it go when the power slider of your iPhone 15 shows up on the screen. Moving on, slide the slide to power off button to the right to turn off your iPhone 15. Wait for a few seconds, then use the side button to turn it back on. Fix number 3. Uninstall the third-party camera apps. So sometimes third-party camera apps might not be compatible with your iPhone's default camera app, which can lead to instability. So try removing any kind of third-party camera apps to check if they're creating the issue behind your camera shake problem. By getting rid of these apps, you might solve the problem. So let's go ahead and discuss how to uninstall a third-party app. At first, find the third-party app on your iPhone 15, then press and hold the app icon until a menu with different options pops up. Look for the Remove App option and tap on it. After that, touch the Delete App option in the confirmation message that appears. Tap delete, and then the app will be uninstalled from your iPhone 15. Then you can verify whether the issue has been resolved by checking the camera app afterwards. Fix number 4. Update the iPhone 15 iOS firmware. So make sure that your iPhone's operating system is up to date, always. Updates aren't just about new features, they fix bugs and improve performance by optimizing existing functions. If your iOS firmware is outdated or anything like that, it might have glitches that Apple can fix in updates. So updating your iPhone 15 ensures it runs on the most stable iOS version. By following this, you can eliminate the iPhone 15 camera shaking, so stay tuned as we will discuss the stepwise procedure to update iPhone 15 iOS firmware. To begin, just open the Settings app on your iPhone 15 and then tap on the General Settings, then select Software Update. Next, tap the Update Now or Install Now button, but before that, make sure that you have a stable internet connection before starting the update. After that, wait for your iPhone to finish downloading and installing the latest iOS 17 firmware. Fix number 5. Try resetting the iPhone 15 settings. Resetting settings without touching your data can be a helpful fix for the issues caused by conflicting or misconfigured settings. The misconfiguration happens because as time passes, settings that users adjust can pile up or become buggy. Ultimately, this scenario can actually lead to something unexpected, including the camera shake on your iPhone 15. When this happens, it might be worth resetting your device's settings. So by doing this, your iPhone settings return to their default state, clearing out any possible reasons for disruption. So let's go ahead and discover how to reset iPhone 15 settings to fix the camera issue. Start the resetting process on your iPhone by opening Settings and then tapping General Settings. Then scroll down to the end and select the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Then moving towards the next step, you need to tap the Reset option. Then choose Reset All Settings from the menu with different reset options. You'll need to enter your phone's passcode for the confirmation process from there. However, this should resolve the issue for you. Fix number 6. Use a reliable and efficient iPhone 15 system repair tool. If the issue continues and appears to be a more intricate software problem, consider using a reliable system repair tool made for iPhone. Select a tool that's trusted, has good reviews, and is compatible with your iPhone model. That's none other than Wondershare Dr. Phone, which is designed to resolve various software-related technical issues. The system repair tool in Dr. Phone claims to be the most powerful, I would say, iPhone camera repair solution to help you eliminate the shaking issue. The advanced features embedded in this software assure you that the perfect fix for the iPhone without any kind of data loss is near. So the amazing point is that you don't need to be a tech expert to run this software at all. Users with various technical exposure can easily operate Wondershare Dr. Phone and perform their required tasks. So let's put some light on its guide. Begin the process by installing Wondershare Dr. Phone from its official website. Then open the software, go to the Toolbox tab, and find the System Repair tool. Among other tools, after doing this, choose iPhone as your device and you will be performing the repair process on your iPhone. Select iOS repair option and opt for the standard repair to prevent data loss. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to enable recovery mode. Wondershare Dr. Phone will detect your iPhone model and will provide compatible firmware options. You need to download the latest iOS 17 firmware. After downloading, the firmware will be verified. Once the verification is done, click Repair Now to resolve your iPhone 15 camera shaking issues. So thank you so much for following along with this guide as we went ahead and explored efficient solutions to address the iPhone 15 camera shaking issue. From force closing the app to utilizing system repair tools, we've covered a range of troubleshooting steps. These methods aim to resolve common camera instability problems that you might encounter. Particularly, Wondershare Dr. Phone is perfectly suited for the role of resolving the camera shake issue in your iPhone 15. Now, comments and feedback are always appreciated because your input could assist others facing similar challenges. So stay tuned for more insightful tech-related content and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for being part of this discussion, and we hope that these solutions prove to be the lifesaver for your iPhone. Now, until next time, have a good one.